BC government has lost its latest round in the battle to stop the Trans Mountain pipeline from Alberta and the flow of diluted bitumen across the Rockies. In a unanimous decision, a 5-justice panel of the BC Court of Appeal said that the project was too important to the nation to be delayed or even blocked by the BC government. The court said the province did not have the power under the Constitution to regulate the flow of the contents of the new pipeline or to delay its construction.
While we're disappointed with the decision, we strongly believe the court has an important role to play in upholding the rule of law. That's why we referred this case to the court system in the first place. Our government always said this case would likely be heard before the Supreme Court, and in fact, we asked the federal government to join us in a direct reference to the Supreme Court of Canada. We continue to believe that we have the authority and the responsibility to protect our environment and economy, and so we will be exercising our right to appeal to the Supreme Court of Canada. The aim of this regulation is to protect our coast and local jobs and wildlife from the catastrophic effects of a diluted bitumen spill. And that is what it is aimed at. We believe that we have the right and authority to regulate substances that are brought in, including through interprovincial pipelines, which is where the court and our position parted company in this decision. We would like clarification from the Supreme Court of Canada on that question. And we think it's critically important as elected officials in British Columbia, elected to protect British Columbians' interests, especially economic interests, to ensure that we have the protections in place to prevent a catastrophic spill. Going to court to clarify this question, to clarify the extent of our jurisdiction, it is a fraction of the cost of a catastrophic diluted bitumen spill in terms of the impacts on economy, on jobs, and just cleaning up the mess. So we think it's worthwhile in terms of clarifying our ability to protect British Columbians from this catastrophic outcome.